Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is from OWC, Otherworld Computing. You can check out their website at OWCdigital.com. Reviewed a number of their products on the Chris Voss Show, interviewed the CEO and a few other people with the company. Really cool, great, high-quality products, exceptional quality products, I should probably say, you're going to find on their website. So be sure to check that out as well and all the reviews we've done. This is the USB-C travel dock. So if you've got, the newest, latest computers that have the USB plug-in ports for your hubs, especially like the Apple laptops, this is going to be great for you, especially if you're traveling mobile, doing work around here and there. You need a backpack, maybe schooling, things like that. Wherever you're on the move and mobile, this is a great travel dock for you. And it basically will plug into it, and then you can use the dock to take and plug in all the other things that you need to do. It's got a USB 3.1 Gen 1 port on one side, HDMI on the same side. On the front, it's got a USB Type-C auxiliary power port that delivers up to 60 watts of power to your connected devices. And then on the other side, it's got an SD card reader, so you can copy your photos, etc., etc. And it's got a USB 3.1 Gen 1 on that side as well. So you can take and use that. And plus, it's USB 3.1. Keep that in mind, because that's going to give you that super fast transfer speed and, of course, getting everything rock and rolling. This is great if you're a photographer, because you can copy your photos, videos, everything super, super quick and rock and roll. Very compact. You can fold this baby up with the cord, just wrap it around it, throw it in your backpack, throw it in your pocket, whatever. It's super light and pretty tough too in the way it's built. It's built with that beautiful sort of finish aluminum or steel that they use at OWC. It does have OWC dock ejector built inside of it that disconnects all connective drives in a single click. So that's very nice. Make sure all your data is written before it's being disconnected, and it saves time and protects against data loss. That's very important to have. It's got enhanced connectivity for any USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 computer. So you got great workflow and pass-through USB charging port as well. And it comes with a 2-year OWC limited warranty, which you can't beat when it comes down to it. I really love their products. We review a ton of them. We actually use a bunch of the OWC products here in the office because we just love them so much, and they're just like, I don't know how to explain them. They're just built like rock. They take abuse, and we try not to abuse them, but they take abuse and they do a great job. And I highly, 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 highly recommend them. Go to OWCdigital.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. USB-C travel dock. We loved all the different experiences we had with it, and I think it's going to do well for you.